And now for a repeat performance, PJs proudly presents Trini Lopez.
Everybody's going out and having fun. I'm just a fool for staying home and having none. I can't get over how she set me free. Oh, lonesome me. A bad mistake I'm making by just hanging around. I know that I should have some fun and paint the town. A lovesick fool is blind, just can't see everybody. Oh, lonesome me. I know she's not like me, out in fancy free, flirting with our boys with all her charm. But I still love her so. People, don't you know, I'd welcome her right here, back in my arms. There must be some way I can lose this lonesome blues. Forget about the past and find somebody new. I thought of everything from A to Z. Everybody, oh, lonesome me. I know she's not like me, out in fancy free, flirting with our boys with all her charm. But I still love her so. People, don't you know, I'd welcome her right here, back in my arms. Well, there must be some way I can lose these lonesome blues. Forget about the past and find somebody new. I thought of everything from A to Z.